It was so much fun to be around. I think when you quit, I was very disappointed.
This is the quitting because of the toxic boss.
Toxic boss.
So I had this intern. She, from my client's account, DM'd every single follower saying Siddhika's a bitch.
What?
Over 1,500 DMs.
What?
She did.
But I do feel like my page is my parent and Ankush Bhaguna fan page sometimes. So हम 12:40 पे me and this other friend went to the police station. We found him there completely तोते हुए उड़े हुए उसके. Getting lectured from a cop. कौन सा arrest warrant आपको WhatsApp पे आता है?
Hello guys, welcome to another podcast. I'm Arushi and I'm Siddhika. And today we have Shivani Bedi in the house. Woo!
Yay! Hi everyone. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming.
So yeah, since we're in Mumbai and close to showbiz, so we managed to pull out Shivani, the awesome creator, actor, everything, all-rounder. And these two also have worked together, by the way, guys. So
We have shared history. Lots of history.
shared trauma bonding. So we're gonna have a lot of interesting gappe on that. So grab your coffee or chai ka cup and let's begin today's gappe. Woo! So guys, tell me, how did you guys meet? Like, what was the first interaction like?
We met in office.
I have a very funny story about Arushi when I met her. So she used to be a very cute little. She was the youngest person in the room. I think there were one or two maybe people your age. Shahana was probably your age, but she was really quirky, full of puns, and always with some joke up her sleeve. And I think they were the new kids in the thing, and I was older, so मुझे ना बहुत सारी चीजें समझ नहीं आती थी. So there was this one website called Imager, which I didn't know was pronounced Imager. So I'd see these guys constantly access Reddit and Imager and these cool little whatever yuppie, not yuppie, but hippie websites for stuff and memes. And this one time I was like, Chote, what is this? I'm a girl.
I'm Gwar. Okay. I have not visited that website वैसे.
I am GUR. अब तो थोड़ा पुराना हो गया. I am GUR. It's Imager, by the way, just for context.
Yeah, and Harushi laughed and she's like, I'm also a girl. And that's when I got to know it's not I'm a girl, it's I'm a imager. And then there was this one Facebook page we ran, okay, of the magazine we used to work for. जिसमें ना मतलब वो थोड़ा feminist page था. So obviously men had to come and troll us and tell us what it means to be a feminist, and there were lots of them. So Arushi had a fake profile called Kanchan.
Oh man.
Okay.
How do you remember all that?
Dude, it was so funny. And she used to also pronounce it as Kanchan aa gayi. And I feel like, kaun hai Kanchan? And then I realized Kanchan was Arushi's alter ego, which she used to troll these fuckers back.
I think two things haven't changed. Guys giving random ass comments and she making fake profiles. Because कुछ भी उसका मन करता, she'll make a fake profile and she'll like, you little bitch, you ka. And Google reviews पे 2.5 का comments देती है ये. Because she's like, I'm a blasted from a different identity.
Yeah. Nowadays I put stuff like, oh, so cute. Sometimes people say things and you can read, their personality कि ये नहीं change होने वाला चाहे कुछ भी हो. So you just write random things like Delulu is Selulu for you, brother.
अरे भाई, so
Makes sense.
Yeah, from we guys comment together from the same profile, no? So girl का जब भी comment आता है ना, I'm like sometimes when she's replying, I'm like, हाय राम PR crisis ना हो जाए, मैं डर रही हूँ, हमने क्या बोला? But नहीं.
Yeah, we get stuff like मुँह में ले ले and I'm like, no thanks, we don't smoke.
That one was funny though. Yeah, that was hilarious.
But I feel like, she's very good at it. Because Kanchan would sometimes find two people trolling and then reply to them saying, Varun and Dipti, now kiss. It was just, I feel like my memories of Chote are very vibrant.
Oh man.
There's this ball of energy and vibrant colors. Who was also very particular about food and was probably the thinnest person in the room and heavy on protein. I've had so much bacon thanks to her. Can we say bacon?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, cool.
We can say everything.
प्रसाद okay. मतलब वो तो मैं ऐसे लाती थी जैसे खाओगे मिठाई खाओगे like bacon. I was a fan of Shivani. Shivani was a fan of my mother because of my food. Because of food
I was also a fan of you asshole. Like, it was so much fun to be around. I think when you quit, I was very disappointed. I was like, shit.
I missed her the most, like in both places.
This is the
There are a
quitting
lot.
because of the toxic boss.
Both places.
Oh, more than one. You're like, shh.
Talking about
Contra. Toxic boss.
Matty, tumti,
Toxic boss.
Matty, tumti, contra.
Toxic boss.
yeah, not the best. Sometimes, yeah, work environments can be tricky, you know. Let's keep it very diplo.
Yeah, very diplo. low.
तो सिर्फ मुझे आर्टिस्ट पता है बाकी तो नहीं पता.
No, it was a roller coaster. So see, whenever there's a person
Ups
who
and
is
lots of downs and yeah.
trauma
lots of
bonding
crashes.
is a thing for a reason.
Yeah.
Because it really brings the others closer.
Yeah.
And that's how me and Shubhani, not just because of happy times, but also because
Yeah.
of fuck all times, we got very close.
Yeah, I feel like somehow we were still good temperament people. Like whatever. I don't have a lot of memories of us like getting completely inundated by the grief of.
Because some people
Dealing
would
with-
really, like, it would really affect them.
Yeah, but I feel like you and me both quit because of
Circumstances.
specifically with
A particular circumstance.
Yeah, or like some people in powerful positions in those companies where it was just weird form of bullying, but blaming the management for. I mean, that was just whatever. It was just completely weird.
Yeah, man.
Like I remember this one time, okay, like I had taken 4-5 leaves because a friend of mine was getting married, and I had given like 5 या 3 महीने से बता रखा था. I had worked on weekends, so I had like weekend buffer also, and I took those leaves. Dude, I was put on probation.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and the cause that was given was that the big boss has been on it, and I've not even completed I've just completed 6 months. How could I take like 5 days off? And I was like, but how? Like 2 days are my comp leaves, which are compulsory for the weekends I worked, and then 3 days leave when I've given you 3 months notice in advance, or at least 2 months notice in advance, because this wedding was pre-planned. Like I didn't just like fall sick and go, for a vacation to the Himalayas to find myself, like this was something that I had been planning, and I told you, but I was put on probation.
Amazing. And the big boss was never in on it by that. She was just like used it as a shoulder. Because later on I was very close to the big boss when I went back, and when I used to tell her all this, she's like, what? Like, what?
मेरे नाक के नीचे क्या क्या
Like,
हो गया?
ये क्या हो रहा है? Yeah, and then because and I realized that because when I was leaving later, she was extremely empathetic, very very good, and like very supportive. So I'm like, nahi. This doesn't add up. It's like ये मतलब this has been ये थोड़ा सा buffer वो उसके लिए क्या बोलते हैं shooting on a shoulder वाला situation हुआ
I
है.
think वही होगा because otherwise it makes no sense. And also I feel like because of how these platforms, these media houses were growing at the time, they can't keep control on every
I
day.
also feel like I feel like there was largely my experience was not so bad because there was a lot of encouragement also. I think that the workplace that we are talking about, both these places, at least I felt like I got enough opportunity to express myself, and there was a lot of liberty, and I think I was never in, like, there was no friction directly there, but there were these moments where I don't know whether it was just the work culture there that would enable, a certain kind of bullying and toxic behavior. Because मैंने ना ये notice किया, मैं मतलब before I became like a content creator actor, I've been working in the media industry for almost 10 years or something. And I've realized that how people behave. And I've also been in a position where I've been a toxic team lead or something. And it's mostly a trickle-down effect.
Yeah, it's
So,
absolutely that.
I do believe that for whatever it's worth, maybe there's a possibility that the person is also not very healthy and flawed and enjoys maybe
Feeding
just
off of each other.
yeah. Or it could just be a trickle-down effect from the management too,
This though I feel like if suppose someone's toxic, there is a large possibility that maybe their family scenario, their mental health is at that. Because I have seen with some friends of mine, so like my parents are divorced, and what I have noticed is that during school and college, I only bonded and made friends with those people who also had like a lot of collation in the household because we were trauma bonding. And one thing that I, especially now, like I'm 30 and I've seen so much much life, उतना नहीं, but उतना देख लिया कि I can understand कि जब आप एक झंगुल में होते हो ना, when you're in this entire circle where your family is behaving with you a certain manner, then you're seeking for that repeated behavior.
To that
Yeah,
behavior.
so,
You need
हाँ,
it, yeah.
and वो सब अच्छा भी चल रहा होता है ना, they're gonna like pick a fight, start something, and it's so bad, like you know where it's coming from, but you can't help them, and then you just have to be like, I need to pull my handband for my own health. Like you just can't help.
Yeah. But and I do like you're so right, because I feel like in offices also, you know, if the top management is a bunch of like toxic parents, you know, I feel like the employees and the leads and
Yeah. This is something very interesting. I haven't even told you. So I had this one intern, all right, and I was also naive. It was like not even the first year of me with my company, right? So I had given her access to handle this client's social media posting, because उस समय there was whatever reasons were there, so she was basically handling that account. Now I don't know what happened. One day she flipped, all right, and she actually from my client's account DM'd every single follower saying Siddhika's a bitch.
What?
Over 1,500 DMs.
What?
She did. And what triggered her was, I told her ki, dude, you have not completed your work this week. How, like, because she had at that asked for a leave or something like that. उससे पहले वो छुट्टियाँ ले चुकी थी, because she was an intern, तो उसे college की छुट्टियाँ हो गई थी, so she had already had a large leave, and she was asking because she had to go to a birthday party, and I was like, वो ठीक है, but just finish your work, alright, because it's obviously pressing, social media जो भी है. She said 1,500 people. I was like, hey Bhagwan,
I mean,
ये crisis.
While I respect the commitment, but what the fuck? I mean,
Respect, like such earnestness, man. In her hate for you.
काम ही कर लेती है.
Exactly.
She sat down and she took, I think, longer than the actual stuff that she had to do. She had to just write captions.
That's
उसको
what
एक
it
घंटा नहीं लगता. 5 घंटे बैठ के वो कर रही, password change कर दिया.
Sarika the badge.
Yeah.
that burn book, no? Mean Girls. wala, this is-
And my spelling was not even right.
Oh shit. So then you could say, actually, this is not talking about me.
Yeah,
Because
I
I'm
know
the
Siddhika.
D, single D wali Siddhika. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude, wow.
Yeah.
Bosses and kids alike, man.
Yeah, for sure. But do you think that now that you've of course shifted industries to like पहले तो था ही 9 to 5 क्या ही है 90 hours बोल रहे अब तो लोग, but now you're in a flexible, versatile kind of environment. Is it like
No.
basic bitch question, man? Oh my god, that's so
not.
much different.
Yeah, so the thing is, the silences are very silent. Sometimes as a freelancer, when there is nothing, there is nothing. It's like a black hole. Like it drowns out, like whatever. You just keep getting sucked in, and there's no end to the hollowness or whatever where you're falling or landing. And then when the work starts piling up, when it rains, it pours, and it just like happens ekdam se.
Seasonal, basically.
Yeah. And I feel like there are obviously no structures, timelines are very warped. I've also realized in some industries, but there's a lot of urgency. Actually, those are the least time sensitive jobs. Where they just make you feel like, ये तो कल करके चाहिए, client बोल रहा है कल चाहिए. और फिर client कल को कल दे दोगे तो उनका weekend आ जाता है, फिर वो सोने पे चले जाते हैं.
Yeah, I had a brand deal which I will not name, which they were like कल ही चाहिए, कल ही go live करना है. It's been a month. I still haven't gone live.
But that's the state, like that's the norm. And I feel like because sometimes content creation में मतलब आपकी agency फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत regulate कर लेती है, but as an actor or an artist, like there are no structures, there are no, like nobody is accountable. Power distribution is very like uneven and somewhere despotic, so you can never, like human rights and worker rights violations are very common. So I don't.
ये तो myth है. It's a myth.
Yeah.
So rights are.
Yeah.
Sorry, एक सोच है.
Rights are a myth.
Yeah. I mean, I agree now. See, earlier as when we were younger, we were like, yeah, humans fight, rights. And now we're like, bro,
Just fuck it, bro.
क्या ही कर रहे हैं?
बच्चों को करने दो.
हाँ, ये सब मेरे को नहीं लड़ने का है. Yeah, I
मुझे
will.
पैसे दे दो, मुझे घर जाना
I
है.
swear.
खाना.
I'll pick my battles.
Yeah.
It's okay.
And I feel like the toxic again, Ji Hazuri boss culture exists everywhere. It's actually worse in maybe, industries where there is no HR. Like, you know, when you're working under a producer, you can't.
तो mandates है ना लेकिन for having HR like आप इंडिया के
But
अंदर
I'm just saying, if you're working with, let's say, if you're doing a project or an ad or a film or something,
that's
who's the
freelance
HR you're
gig.
going to
No
go
one
to?
is
You know,
gonna
because,
fuck you.
And there's no standardization, there's no
Yeah.
guideline.
And there's no like chain of like how was-
Escalation.
Yeah.
हाँ, you can't really.
I feel like maybe when we work for brands, there is still the social media managers and the agencies we work for cushion things. But if you don't have that, and I feel like even in the movies or whatever, in the entertainment, whatever little I've done, your agencies can still cushion a few things, but there is still no like knowing what can go wrong when, and when you'll just be like left hanging and there's no addressal. Thankfully, because sometimes as social media people, we are dealing with brands who are corporate structured corporately. थोड़ा बहुत accountability और paperwork की वजह से आपको बेवकूफ नहीं बना सकते. But यहाँ पर भी like, you know, timelines and expectations and money and payouts, everything is very like all over the place. And if there's some fuck up in the chain of control, like you don't really know who to go to and how to address
So,
it.
no, because everybody, when they see it from outside, no,
Yeah.
they're like, oh my god, you're so lucky that
Yeah.
you are your own boss. And I'm like, no, I have
it's
more
not.
bosses now,
Yeah,
which is all the people
exactly.
who consume my content.
Seriously.
Yeah.
And also like no control on your time. and
Exactly.
काम आ गया तो आपको करना ही है, because नहीं तो फिर घर नहीं चलेगा.
Exactly. सही में.
That is so such a major concern. Sometimes I feel like, you know, in this profession, like how do you guys manage stability की, ठीक है अभी तो पैसा आ रहा है, like दिवाली के टाइम पे हो मजे ही मजे, and then after that you're like okay fine, थोड़ा drought आ गया for a very long time. So when it comes to budgeting and how you manage your investments, or if you are able to do it at all, because for a lot of people who started with content creation in the garb कि बहुत पैसे मिलेंगे, उनकी तो लगी हुई है.
मतलब थोड़ा saving savvy होना पड़ता है, because otherwise finances can be very yeah.
You have to have a husband who bans you from shopping.
Krishanu, it made my heart so happy वैसे. So she shopped too much. There was this one picture she sent me जिसके अंदर इसकी बिल्ली जैसे ना where's Waldo, so like where's her sushi, and सिर्फ डिब्बे के corrugated boxes, उसके अंदर एक brown kitty दिख रही है छोटी सी, बाकी सारे brown boxes, and then Krishanu banned all of her apps.
Yeah, he deleted all of them. And he put a tracker on my MyGate कि कौन कौन आ रहे. Every time MyGate वो मतलब कोई भी आता था, he'll be like कौन है ये,
Right.
क्या लेके आया है.
So he banned all my shopping apps and also put a password and also like is monitoring my MyGate.
Don't paint me as the fucking villain.
No, I'm not painting you as a
Because she
villain.
is-
No,
नहीं वो आज
I
कुछ
am
ना
one second.
नहीं ये गलत है, ये ट्रैप है.
I deserved it. I deserved it for sure. Yeah. And then this bitch, she would send me like all these, you know, Black Friday sales and all
because
that.
this was like November and Diwali, अभी सब लोग chaos मचता है उस समय तो sales का, and I was like okay, so let me send Arushi this and that, and it was my thrill. I was searching for either
I was like,
Instagram
देखो,
target me.
alcoholic को दारू नहीं देते हैं. उसके सामने ऐसे बियर का 6 पैक ऐसे नहीं घुमाते भाई.
बेयर करने में बात में बॉडी वर्क्स का 6 पैक घुमा रही थी.
That was like so brutal.
How cute. Bath and Body Works.
कैंडल सेल्स यार, मतलब देखो
I know, dude.
अगर 3000 की कैंडल
Yeah.
800 में मिल रही है,
Yeah.
तो मैं 6 क्यों ना लूं?
मेरी मम्मी is the Krishanu of my life, where she like asks me the same question. कितनी खरीदनी है आपने? And I'm like, but you know this logic कि discount मम्मी. Exactly. You know.
Buying a candle is the most पैसा जलाना का equivalent, because it literally just that you buy something to burn it.
It's so nice.
Don't say that. You're hurting my feelings.
I was also a big Bath and Body Works candle ho, but after I that concept, like I was watching a video, so I watch a few videos where these guys are like, you know, financially literate content. They're like, you're burning your money on this shit.
Apparently, it's also not very good.
It's
for
not good. हाँ, you need soy candles.
For your mom is like mombatti.
Okay.
Speaking of your parents, who like a very prominent part of your Instagram, no? They're like super cute.
Yeah. They become now. I feel like they are very like they like being on the internet.
Especially your mom, though, like the banter you have with her is like super cute. Like I feel like more like I love the content that you do. I love Malika and everybody, but the organic conversations with her mom are just like next level. They're amazing. I love
That's
them.
the point
Yeah.
where you get relatability. You're like, "अरे मेरे घर पे भी ये होता है." It's not even like ठीक है funny. It's just like it's like nice to watch. It's like kind of like a peeping into someone's life.
And I feel like when I see other people also put content out with their parents, I feel like, oh, अच्छा ये सबके घर होता है. मैं पागल नहीं हूँ.
Yeah, exactly.
And somehow the moms are acting better, like putting every child to fear. मैंने तुझे पैदा किया, देख. Look at my jalwa, okay?
We know someone whose whole account is running only on the mother.
Yeah.
Mother like just shot that person up to fame.
Yeah. That person was, I feel like, trying to get their foot in the door and trying to make things work. But the moment that person got their mom on board, it's like, auntie ne tel ka macha.
And that auntie is amazing. What a we will show you later. Yeah, this is someone we know, so we got.
Not cut कर देना.
अब मैं बॉम्बे आ गई हूँ तो मेरे को थोड़ा एक्सेस कम मिलता है उनका. But every chance I get, I'm like, आओ मेरे vlog में, हाँ दोनों के दोनों तो हम. But I feel like yeah, parents are also sometimes when they start enjoying the process, they get very like they bring too much like good things to the table.
Yeah, and now
And,
that you're away from home,
yeah.
whatever little time you get, they want to maximize
Yeah,
it, so they
yeah.
happily do whatever,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So
कि
it's-
ठीक है कोई ना चलो.
yeah. My father's been asking me to pay him money now. He's like, your videos have done very well. I need my commission. I'm like, no.
If I start paying my husband and my pets, मैं तो कंगाली हो जाऊंगी commission.
That's what I told my dad. I'm like, क्या बोल रहे हो? मैं ऑर्गेनिक वीडियो से थोड़ा ना कमाती हूँ. और मैं वैसे तो घर में कंट्रीब्यूट करती हूँ, पैसे देती हूँ हर महीने because you know my mother's like no such thing as free lunch. Pay back everything that you've taken from me.
Yeah, it's about time.
So I'm like, I already pay you guys. Like I pay my keep. So please stop it.
Like, let me buy that candle.
I mean, that's what I deserve. थोड़ा सा तो.
Exactly. Like I'll buy you a candle, Dad, if that's okay with you, so that I can also smell it vicariously.
Oh man. But yeah, I love your parents more than you and your content. Sorry.
Thank you, Arushi.
Yeah,
I think you and pretty much all my followers. Yeah.
Like, even like when I'm on IG, if anything comes in my trending tab, it happens to be your parents के साथ वाली video only. Yeah.
No, but I do feel like my page is my parent and Ankush Bhaguna fan page sometimes. I feel like
Because and the thing is, even that is a parent thing only, which you do that whole phone distance.
yeah, it is true.
Yeah,
Yeah,
which somewhere could be inspired by your parents also. No, of course you would take inspiration from.
Well, general, I feel like it's inspired by parents at large and how their reactions
I
are.
think uncle auntie need to be paid now.
नहीं, this is Shushna. She's giving candles. Shut up. Shut up. एक तो तू चुप रहे ना. Out of all people, जब सारे account banned है, देखो बोल कौन रहा है? बताओ. सारे account banned है.
Enjoy, no? चाहे मैं ना enjoy करूँ, I will not let the toxicity flourish. It has to
Cut the
cut the
chain.
chain.
Arey, so talking about that, so I think everyone see that brute wali video of Ankush's story, right? And in fact, the same thing that happened with him happened with my friend in May. Like हम दोनों का birthday May में ही आता है, and then she got a very similar call. But what happened with her was कि instead of she getting the call and then after that going from WhatsApp to however, it went to Skype. And she didn't have any money in her account. She was in between jobs. So these guys applied for an instant loan and they took that money from her. Yeah, it was insane. So, like,
So dangerous. That's mental. How many days was she under there?
she wasn't under house arrest. It was like a 1.5 hour call, basically. So, like, because in Ankush's story, he also mentioned you and you guys were like one. So, what was like the scene from your end when you were watching it happen?
So basically, Ankush was supposed to. He spoke to his manager at 10:20, and the manager had some fever type infection or something. But they had a brand call at 11ish or 11:15. And he's asking her, should I come over? Should I get you like some food? Do you want me to send you medicines and all? And he's full like chirpy and accountable and there as a friend asking her for her well-being. And then she's like, no. And then within half an hour, she reaches out to him again. No response. 11 o'clock, there's a brand call. He's been called. He's constantly cutting phone calls. No response. Not replying to messages, telling her I need space. Basically, he flipped in 40 minutes. And she's like, for a person who's having a meltdown, because all of us kept speculating, is he having an episode? Is he having a depressive episode? Is he having a meltdown? She was like, 24 मिनट में कौन सा मेल्टडाउन होएगा इतना सिवियर कि आप दुनिया को बिल्कुल obliviate ही कर रहे हो, you know, थोड़ा. And Ankush, knowing him as a friend, he's not someone who suffers alone. Like, he's very quick to reach out for help, you know. And that's what was very alarming, because that was so uncharacteristic of him. तो मतलब एक दिन तो उसने ऐसे किया. I think in the evening, this friend of the other friend was also trying to reach him, but he was like, okay, let me not be very pushy. If he doesn't want to talk, he doesn't want to talk. So I think for a day they kept up with it, and Bhavna, I think, spoke to this friend because she was trying to figure out ho kya raha hai. And she told him ki yaar ye na, this is not normal. So can you check, like, you know, or you can ask Shivani to check, you know, because I stay very close by or whatever. Chalo, इन्होंने एक दिन तक तो चलो टाल दिया. फिर अगले दिन 10 बजे I get a call from one of the friends that yaar, this is weird, and he's not opened the house to anyone, sent the maid away. He's been constantly ignoring us. Can you please go and see what's happening? Can you ask the guard? I go to his house. I can tell, like, he has a peeping hole type ka door or something. So he opens that. I can see he's really flustered. Something's off, but he's not telling me. And again, this has never happened where he's opened the door, like, he's seen me, told me, acha, main 1 minute mein aata hu, and then shut the peep door on me, gone in, made me wait for 15 minutes and come back and told me, please go, I need some time alone. This has never happened, you know, like, because when had he not been there, I would have understood. Had he not opened the door, I would have understood. So basically, there were a lot of things that he was doing which was so uncharacteristic of him that we were like, ho kya raha hai? Kya ho raha hai? And surprisingly, that day, I hadn't spoken to my mother. But she just called me at 10:40. And me, Bhavna, and this other friend, the three of us, because we had constantly taken turns coming to his house, checking on him, getting flustered, exchanging notes. We pretty much spent the whole day together figuring out what's going on. These two though even stalked him from the house and all. So we were just confused. Ki ye kya hai? And we were like, I hope it's not some trivial nonsense. Some trolling on Reddit or some nonsense that he's taken to personally or some shit that he's now throwing like a bitch fit for or whatever, is just like isolating. I was like, it better be something serious.
Okay.
Yeah. I was like, it better, like, the spiral better be worth it, you're a bitch. Because, you know, if you're like pissed off because you got a bad haircut, I am coming with chappal and beating you up.
Yeah, no.
So, and we were all also like, dude, this is such unpredictable, horrible, toxic behavior, whatever. हम लोग बैठ के ऐसे गालियाँ दे रहे हैं, इसकी बुराई कर रहे हैं, कैसा behavior, कैसा दोस्त है ये?
What is this behavior,
Karan
Pooja?
Jala. Exactly. Stupid. So it was just very out of character for him to do that, and we were sitting there. And that day I was not going to talk to my mother because we were too caught up in just checking on him, and because he'd sent us, after keeping us waiting, all three of us got like the same kind of message at 5:30 p.m. saying, hey, I'm okay. I just need some time. I'm going to speak to you tomorrow or something. And we were like, okay, thank you. Thanks for the memo. It's great.
I'm glad you messaged back.
Yeah. So I think 10:40 पे मेरी मम्मी का phone आता है. And I think his friend was crashing in my apartment. So वो drawing room में हम बस almost we were about to crash because we'd had a long day. And I'm talking to my mother, and my mother randomly calls, video call. हमने करे, पर आपके साथ मेरी आज बात नहीं होनी थी. I'm glad you called, आप उठे हुए हो. And she's like, अच्छा क्या हो गया? Why didn't you call? All of that. And I'm telling her ये सब हो रहा है, हम कुछ दरवाजा नहीं खोल रहा है, पता नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम है, और हम सुबह से कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Suddenly something just like उनको कुछ पता नहीं क्या, something lit in her brain, and she was like, you know, उसको ये ऐसे digital arrest वाला तो नहीं कुछ हो रहा है, क्योंकि some chacha of ours, some family friend had been through it 2 years ago, and this guy is like a 62-year-old senior fucking journalist, has worked with Rajya Sabha TV, has written books about BJP, and like, you know, he's so he's a very aware, like smart guy and I think he also fell for this scam. But the reason he got out of it is because his family got, like, वो घर पे ही थे लोग बाकी, तो उन्होंने अपने आप को किसी कमरे में isolate कर लिया, and then the child and the wife got a little worried, and then they contacted some Supreme Court judge because he told them ऐसा कुछ चल रहा है, so just corroborate this. And that's when that judge told them कि ये सब बकवास है, ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता. Digital arrest क्या होता है भाई? WhatsApp पे कौन भेजता है आपको, you know, arrest warrant? बकवास बंद करो इसको. So that's how my parents knew about it. That's how my mother knew about it. And she just told me कि ऐसे तो नहीं हो रहा अंकुश के साथ. And I was like, इतना तो वैसे नहीं होना चाहिए because अंकुश तो इंटरनेट का बंदा है. ये तो scam के बारे में पता है लोगों को. I thought नहीं होगा, but I still felt like, okay, maybe I should just send him a message on the side saying, you know, if there's something like this happening with you, it's a scam. An hour later, I get a call from him, exasperated, they basically pushed him to stay in a hotel in Andheri East somewhere, which is like 40 minutes away from his house, and he's in the middle of the road, like exasperated, flustered, crying, calling me, yaar main yahan hu, I'm feeling very unsafe, please come to the Juhu police station with me. So hum 12:40 pe, me and this other friend who was crashing with me went to the police station. We found him there, completely like
Disheveled.
Getting lectured from a cop who also told him the same thing कि कौन सा अरेस्ट वारंट आपको व्हाट्सएप पे आता है.
But it's so cool that your parents actually, it's like ये reverse हो रहा है ना कि parents are actually telling us about technology.
My
It's
mother
crazy.
actually came in as an angel, and you know, the thing is, छोटू, ये चीज ना मतलब पता भी होगी हमें, पर हमको शायद उस टाइम ये लगा ही नहीं कि अंकुश or somebody who, you know, is so active on social media could also get money. And I feel like these guys, these scam artists, the way they fearmonger, manipulate, and then sort of mind control you.
They put you on the spot, no, like, and you know, like for instance, I'm hugely into quizzing, but there are sometimes when if I'm on a quiz and it's on camera and it's a basic question, sometimes I'll just blank and I won't know, because when you're on a spot, your दिमाग खाली हो जाता है.
Exactly. Like, I feel like that night when we came back home after the ordeal in the police station, for the longest time I felt so sad because this boy couldn't stop being so, like, I think it took him, maybe even now, he's still recovering from it, you know, like, because every time I speak to him, I feel he's still adjusting to the post-traumatic.
Because he can't get over it, na? He'll keep getting comments and stuff.
No, and also there's so much anger towards self also, you know, like there's so much.
How could I have done this? What is wrong with me?
How am I? Like, how could I? And I'm like, can you please stop being, like, you know, it's not fair that you're so harsh on yourself, because it could happen to the best of people, and it has. And there is a strategy to this, and we don't know what part of our brain or how we are being manipulated when it happens. So anyway, but it was very alarming and scary. Thankfully, there were some blessings that my mother firstly called, because me and other friends of his, we couldn't do the math because we didn't predict this could also be a possibility. Mother intervened. I had the sense of mind to send him a message. He could read the message and do something about it. And then I think they were trying to extract some 10-15 lakhs out of him. But the bank shut down. So that's why they put him in the hotel, because they were like, अच्छा आज नहीं हुआ, अब ये घर नहीं जाएगा, नहीं तो इसको कुछ पता ना चल जाए, इसके दोस्त ना आ जाए, बात ना हो जाए इसकी. तू होटल जा और अगले दिन फिर हम दोबारा तुम्हारी परिक्रमा करवाएंगे बैंकों की कि तुम पैसे दे दो. But उससे पहले he could tackle it. So yeah, weird. Yeah.
No, but everybody has a vulnerability, and you need to realize that, and now though it's easy to get scammed.
No, and I feel like
it's not even about scamming. I'll tell you what, if we like talk about victim blaming, which he's doing to himself, and changing the subject in a way, a lot of people who, when they're getting abused, right, whether it's from some family member or some colleague, they're not realizing it when it's happening, because they are broken down in a manner कि तुम्हें पता ही नहीं लगता. And then years later you're like, you know, if you come out of the toxic thing, why didn't I see, why did I let that happen to me? Even if you come out from a toxic relationship, like how could I let that person speak to me in such a manner for such a long time? तो उस समय तुम्हें फिर होता नहीं है कि भाई, how did you let this happen? So the anger comes from there only, what he's going through.
But to be manipulated is also, I mean, you know, it's highly plausible to get involved in something which can manipulate you to a point where you don't know where to break out of it, because, I don't know, you just buy into it once and then it just keeps happening. So anyway, but ठीक है, all is well in the hood. Just some PTSD, but that's okay.
It's okay. आज की PTSD कल की story बनेगी.
Nothing therapy can't solve. Yeah. And इससे ये prove होता है कि men also need therapy, and men benefit from therapy.
100%.
Yes.
Who's coming next? Do I know this person? Like the kind of guests you're getting from different walks of life and with different value additional like aspects. It's so good. Such engaging content.
थोड़ा ऐसे कैमरा मास्टर में देख के बोलो, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे
इनका
हो।
कंटेंट अच्छा है। सब्सक्राइब करो।
तुम बहुत
उनको
मस्त
like
काम करता है
अच्छा करता है,
मकसूद
बहुत
भाई।
लोग को लेकर आके उनका सब मतलब वैसे वैल्यू निचोड़ रहा है।
नाइस, मैं रील
मजा
बनाएगा
आएगा।
इसका मस्त।
छोटे का ब्रेन बहुत तेज है।
छोटे
Thanks यार।
छोटा
She
दिमाग में पन
she's
बने।
been calling me छोटा from day one.
Yeah. Dude, she has such a छोटे vibe. You know, like she's a छोटू बच्चा.
So I met her because Neeraj and she worked in Scoop Whoop, right? And everyone like from there used to call her Arushi G. And for me that's why when you say छोटे 2-3 बार मैं like क्या flip हुआ because I'm used to people calling Arushi G.
Why?
आजकल बिस्कुट को भी पार्ले जी कहते हैं।
Because I was a union leader. Because
In Scoop Whoop?
in Scoop Whoop, because I was always for my team. I would always be like, नहीं मैं टॉक्सिक नहीं बनेगा, मैं तुम्हारे लिए लड़ेगा, तुम छुट्टी लेगा. So that's why so everybody like had this thing like you know कि no for all things grievances agony everything Arushi G. So yeah, like I used to get so मतलब I had a reputation कि मतलब my team used to call me and say Stranger Things का season आए है, छुट्टी दे दो ना please, मेरे को binge watch करना है. I'm like so then I would check and I'm like हाँ है छुट्टी ले ना मस्त ले, कोई नहीं. So and because of that people in my team take very little छुट्टीज. They would actually take much less छुट्टीज. Yeah.
So I do feel like there are some people who do take advantage of like good people, but largely if you normalize people prioritizing breaks and me time.
No, it really, and I saw this shift.
Yeah.
By the way, LNG guy and Mr. Murthy, just take note. By the way, if you do this, I had a much more productive team.
Yeah.
My team had the best
Yeah.
appraisals,
Yeah.
and they took the least amount of छुट्टीज and worked like the max because they were always like ठीक है आप बोल रहे हो तो मैं करूँगी because आप ऐसे नहीं बोलोगे.
And I think
So
that's
that's the thing.
How did you guys meet? You working Scoop Whoop together?
No. So basically, I started dating Neeraj, and what happened was that I had an accident, जिसकी वजह से I wasn't able to walk. So my friends had flown in to meet me, and मेरा birthday Thursday को होना था. ये सब Sunday को आके चले जाते हैं. He was like, अरे दुखी हो जाएंगे. And all of these Scoop Whoop people वगैरह आ रहे Noida only. So was she. So he asked everyone to come. And then I see her for the first time. I'm like, Arushi जी ये है. And I was like, ये इसको जी बोल रहा है. Like ये तो Arushi है. Like I wasn't even aware of her, but the moment I met her, we vibed, and then that time I also found out that my birthday is on the 17th, Krishanu's birthday is on the 18th.
Oh.
So it's like pre-party, post-party वाला
Right.
scene हो रहा था इसका.
Right.
So they like pre-gamed with us, and then they went for their post-main game. So फिर I was like, ये जी है. Then we started talking. Then I was like, you know, Chotu actually works better for her.
She was holding that question in for a while, and then when we became better friends, she like one एक चीज बता. Why is everybody calling you Arushi G? What is this? What is the same?
हाँ, क्योंकि मतलब इसे 3-4 साल के अंदर जी कैसे लग गया तुम्हारे, तो पता चला रिस्पेक्ट, लव, प्रतिष्ठा.
It was a big honor. Honestly, the one of the biggest honors I have got is from my team calling me Arushi G.
क्या
So
बात है,
like,
छोटू
yeah,
जी.
छोटू
क्या
जी.
बात है, छोटू जी.
Exactly.
This was a bloody amazing conversation where Shibani has told everything about.
कुछ ज्यादा ही बात कर ली मैंने. Now I'm also feeling like भगवान.
Hesitate क्यों नहीं किया?
Exactly. I think I get too comfortable when I say just anything.
Yeah.
So yeah, edit
Us
carefully,
bro,
girls.
us bro, us.
we'll just give the good काम की बात है कि आप कुछ सीखो एंड बाकी 30 हम लोग रखेंगे अपने पास.
Yeah, we are not like other podcasts. We are cool podcasts.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
we
we're
give
nice
you.
podcasts.
Yeah.
You don't have to be scared if you come over.
Yeah, we will cut what you don't like to an extent.
So we'll also have a part 2 coming out with Shibani. So stay tuned till next week and continue the
Gagappa. Subscribe, follow. Bye. We love you and we love Shivani. Follow her also. She's awesome.